If you're a retiree or near retirement, securing your wealth for the long haul is more important than ever. You may have heard of gold and silver, but today we'll look at the top 5 reasons why you should consider adding them to your retirement portfolio right now. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to access a free guide on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. First, let's talk about inflation protection. Over the years, we've seen inflation erode the purchasing power of our dollars, and as a retiree, this can be a real problem. Traditional assets like stocks and bonds may not keep pace with inflation, especially in uncertain economic times. But gold and silver, they've historically been seen as a hedge against inflation. As the value of paper currency drops, gold and silver often rise, helping you preserve the real value of your wealth. This is why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs as part of their retirement strategy. Next up is diversification. Relying too heavily on one asset class, like stocks or real estate, can expose your retirement to unnecessary risk. Gold and silver are tangible assets, which means they're not tied to the performance of the stock market. When markets crash or experience volatility, precious metals tend to hold their value or even increase. By adding gold and silver to your portfolio, you're spreading out risk, which is crucial for a secure retirement. Gold IRAs allow you to diversify your savings and protect them from market fluctuations. Now let's talk about why global demand. Gold and silver have been in demand for centuries, not just for investment purposes, but for their intrinsic value across the world. As economies grow, demand for these metals rises, and their value increases with it. Unlike other assets, which can be easily manipulated or influenced by political changes, gold and silver are universally recognized and valued. When you invest in a gold IRA, you're tapping into a global market that historically appreciates over time. The fourth reason to consider adding gold and silver to your portfolio is safe haven status. During times of geopolitical instability or financial uncertainty, gold and silver often outperform other assets. Think back to the financial crisis of 2008 or the recent global events that shook markets. While stocks plummeted, gold and silver held their ground and even thrived. If you want peace of mind, knowing that your wealth will be protected no matter what happens in the world, a gold IRA is an excellent option. Finally, tax advantages. You might already be familiar with how IRAs work, but did you know you can hold gold and silver in an IRA? Not only does this offer the same tax-deferred growth as traditional IRAs, but gold IRAs also allow you to buy and store physical metals. This means you're not just relying on paper assets. You're holding something real, something tangible. Plus, you can avoid capital gains taxes on your precious metals when you store them in an IRA until retirement. If you want to dive deeper into how a gold IRA can help protect your wealth, make sure to check out the free guide linked in the description below. It's tailored for American retirees like you, especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings. It's your chance to learn more about why gold IRAs are the smart choice for anyone looking to safeguard their future. As we've seen, gold and silver provide multiple benefits, from protecting your wealth against inflation to offering diversification and tax advantages. The time to act is now. If you're serious about securing your retirement, adding gold and silver to your portfolio is a step you don't want to miss. Again, if you want to know why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, click the link in the description. Don't wait to take action. Your future self will thank you.